You will find ProQuest Dissertations and Theses on the Database tab of the library website lib.unb.ca, or on the Education Guide, or from the guide in your Desire to Learn course. Note that we subscribe to a number of databases on the ProQuest platform, similar to how we subscribe to a number on the ERIC platform. So if you know how to use one ProQuest database, you'll know how to use the others. You can keyword search here, but you can also be more precise, searching by fields like the abstract, which is usually pretty descriptive and specific and provided by the authors themselves. You can string terms together to be treated as synonyms using or statements wrapped in brackets. You can use the wildcard asterisk to search for occurrences of word stems, and you can use quotes to force a phrase search. Note too that you can search across a number of ProQuest databases at once, including Canadian Business and Current Affairs, which is a great resource for Canadian published academic and popular materials. With each result, you'll usually see a direct link to full text. And if you don't, the checked for full text links are usually dead ends, so contact me for help locating what you're looking for. But you might also try searching Google Scholar. Note that many universities, including UNB since about 2010 or so, have been submitting their dissertations and theses and uploading them to their own institutional repositories, in our case, UNB Scholar. And so these are available directly from the institutional repositories, but they are also indexed in Google Scholar, so that is always a great option. Although note that earlier UNB dissertations and theses are still available from ProQuest Dissertations and Theses.